the spider. Even the smallest bite from Arachnus dethicus will instantly paralyze. Oh!
What's up guys, it's Aiden, and Selena Gomez just dropped a new album called Rare, and one of the tracks in that is called Vulnerable, and I want to go through that with you today in this video, but I'll also leave the FLP in the description if you want a further in-depth look. In the spirit of keeping this video short, I'm not going to go through the arrangement, but I will be going through the patterns and the presets to give you a good idea of how to make the song. But if you do want a deeper dive into the song, I will leave the FLP in the description, you can check it out there. First off, this is the piano that's introducing the song. That was created on Omnisphere and it's the ambient space piano. I turned the timbre down and then I turned off the proverb. Then I duplicated it and I brought it down an octave. That's playing with this kick, as well as this guitar. That was created using two different versions of Nexus. The first one is the GT Nylon Clean 2, and I turn off the reverb and that's it. And I've layered that with the BA Dark Roll Bass 2, which is a preset you can find inside of bass. Then as the song continues, I'm layering in another guitar. That was created on Omnisphere. It's the Jazz Fingers guitar harmonics, and I turn off the chorus echo. Then some percussion is introduced, and that was created using two different sounds. Then we're layering in this shaker and a descending cowbell sound. So altogether it's sounding like this. Then the piano changes up slightly. Now we're coming up to the chorus. A few different sounds to cover. The first one is a mute guitar. That was created on Omnisphere. It's the strap muted, and I brought the timbre down and I turned off the chorus echo. Playing with that are the guitars from the beginning, as well as the kick. The percussion, which introduces a clap. That was created using a clap and a snare. And all of this is being backed up by the piano. After the chorus, this switches out to this deep piano. That was created using a few different presets. The first one is on Omnisphere. It's the retrospective piano. Then we have the Just a Simple Dreamy piano again. Finally, we have this sound that I created on Serum. I'm not going to go through it in this video, just because it took a while to make, but I'll leave it in the FLP. Then we're layering in this pluck sound. I found that sound on Omnisphere. It's the bouncy plucker, and I didn't do anything to it, but I duplicated it and I brought it down an octave. Then we have a small break which introduces the second chorus. That's just repeating the first chorus. Second bridge, we're using the low piano again, but we're layering in a clave. Third chorus, it starts off by repeating the first and second choruses, but then it switches out the guitars with a bass drum. I created that using these two sounds. Final bridge, the piano is playing the same notes but the octave higher. Then the chorus repeats for a final time. After this, the song ends pretty abruptly. That's it for the instrumental. If you want a further in-depth look, I will leave the FLP in the description. Apart from that, I'll play a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.